This is a fun one. What are we making?
Chocolate crackles.
Chocolate crackles. Hey guys, we are back with another recipe and make a healthier version of chocolate crackles. So let's start. What are we going to have? I use the rice bubbles, or if you're gluten-free or you have kids, a lot of kids are gluten-free at the moment. I don't know why, but it's a lot. Even at school, I have the teachers saying, who's gluten-free? So you can use gluten-free rice puffs or just use rice bubbles or something similar to that. So I used 2 cups here, but I just put them in the oven for maybe 5 minutes or 8 minutes until they're just a touch brown. And I did it at the same time, so I'm going to put that in there, in the bowl. I did it at the same time as I used the desiccated coconut. I put that in the oven. As you can see, can you see what colour is it?
It looks a burnt.
He said it was burnt.
white in colour.
Is that burnt? But it's not. It's just
It's a burnty white in colour.
Yeah, a burnty whitey colour. Okay, so what I did is I toasted that with the rice bubbles inside the oven for 5 to 8 minutes. And as you can see, it's just a touch toasted. I maybe toasted the sides a bit too much, so make sure it's a low heat around 160.
Smells like
Yeah, we're going to put.
down.
It smells like coconut still, absolutely. Whoa. So now I'm going to start this induction little stovetop. So what we've got here is I've got a non-dairy butter which I use to bind it together. So I put that on the stovetop in the small pot. And while you're stirring that, make sure that the coconut's mixed all the way through, okay? So you go like this, yeah.
I could get that.
Oh,
Can I?
I've got to put that in here.
Oh.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to melt the non-dairy butter that I've got here. You can use coconut oil. If you've got like a nice organic coconut oil, you can use that instead. Okay, and then I'm just going to use cocoa powder and honey instead of sugar. So we'll just put the chocolate in there. Okay, I'm going to put this up a bit and I'm going to mix it through. Can you see that there? Yep, okay. Now I'm going to add the honey. I've got some chocolate, I've got some crackles in there, rice puffs in there. So this is how easy it is to make with the kids. Kids love cooking with mums, like,
What do I do about
and dads. So
What
if
do
you
I
want
do
to,
about this?
that's right, eat it. Do you want to eat it? Yep, there you go. But just don't put it back in there. Okay, right, I saved that. You can all have some now. All melted and ready to go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pour in the chocolate mixture and honey and the butter inside the rice puff mixture with the coconut, desiccated coconut. So can you mix it through for me? Awesome. Now, lucky for you, I actually pre-made some, and I put them in the fridge. Now, if you're in a hurry, because it only needs about half an hour to an hour in the fridge. If you're in a hurry, just put it in the freezer. I love using these because they're non-stick. I don't have to use paper or anything. So and if you want to make more for a party, there's ones like this, the silicone one, but they've got the little 24 smaller ones. So you can make smaller ones. So they just eat it straight up. Yeah?
No.
Yummo. Okay, that's it. And we're just going to show you how we just dish it out using a spoon. All right, there we go. Ready? There you go. And we'll put this in the fridge. And we'll see you next time because we've got some more party ideas. I'm just giving mums some healthy party ideas that are quick, that they can use for their children's birthdays and for when people come over. Yeah? Thank you for watching. High five. We'll see you next time. Bye.